We had a busy morning with storms and we are not done yet. We have a first alert weather day this afternoon and we are expecting damaging winds and thunderstorms. The time frame that we're anticipating is going to be here after lunch, so around 2, even 3 o'clock towards the dinner time frame. Again, we will have damaging winds, very similar to what we had this morning when we woke up to damaging winds, the thunder, the lightning, and also heavy downpours. Since you can feel the moisture, we're working with a lot of moisture in the atmosphere. So this will be impacting the commute or the drive home from the office today. We do have a severe thunderstorm watch. This is for our western counties. So if you're in Defiance County, Fulton County, or even off towards Williams County, further west you are going to be under that severe thunderstorm watch. Now this means that we have the ingredients that are there, but the storm just isn't happening yet. But we could have some warnings later on this evening because this watch goes until 5 o'clock tonight. So you need to be weather aware today. The storm that we're watching is just on the southern tip of Lake Michigan. It's now moving past Chicago into northern Indiana. You can see where we have these yellow boxes. That's where we have those severe thunderstorm warnings. So already along this line, we have warnings. We've already seen readings of about 60-mile-per-hour winds from these storms, and these are cruising and headed off towards the east. So that means that we are going to be in the path of these storms. So we'll be monitoring them here for this afternoon. The hour-by-hour forecast will bring them in. Here we are at 3 o'clock into our western counties, right where we had that watch. And then as we push this along, you'll find that it continues to have this bowing shape. And that bowing means that we could have those damaging winds that are possible. So that'll be along 75 around 4 o'clock. And then as we head into the evening, then that line will start to push out. And then behind it, we'll still be watching the chance for some more storms tonight. We have plenty of fuel out there for storms as temperatures are into the upper 70s, even some 80s. And this afternoon, we'll still be looking at 90s, as we'll also have the heat and humidity as well. Your extended forecast will have 90s for today and tomorrow. As the weekend nears, that's when we'll have our rain chances start to dry up. We'll also have comfortable conditions too. Highs will be into the lower 80s. The humidity should drop early next week. We'll start with dry weather, but rain chances pick up, and then so do our temperatures. Those will be back into the mid, even towards the upper 80s then.
So very summer-like still, you know, that warm, humid weather, then those storms that come through.
Yes, Yep, summer storms, the rumbles of thunder, the lightning, and if you do have your first alert app, make sure that's turned on so you can get the warnings. And then just ahead of time, bring in those lawn chairs. You don't want those blowing around if we do have those gusty winds.
The umbrellas, you know, all that fun stuff you have out on your patio.
Yep, all the summer deco.
Okay, Diane, thank you.